Hello all. I welcome you for the lecture series in the course Material Science and Metallurgy. Today we have a beautiful topic, heat treatment. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, we all know about our food items taken every day, right? And here we have some raw materials which is given to prepare a food. Veggies, and you have a non-vegetarian, and we have a tawa right side, right? So all the food items which is being taken for eating is being cooked, right? So actually what happens when we go for cooking these kind of items, what will happen? Yes, coming to this slide, and what will happen to the food items which is being cooked? So it is being exposed to temperature, right? So all the materials which is having a phase, they have solid, liquid, and gas, changes to another phase because of this particular temperature. Yes. So this process is nothing but heat treatment. So you have barbecues where it is placed, the soft non-vegetarian piece is placed on a flame, direct heating to the flame that makes the food cooked here, and it is very delicious to eat. So it is not only applicable for food items, but also it is applicable for all the engineering materials. So it is very interesting to see why this heat treatment is applied to all the engineering materials after manufacturing. Certain questions arises in mind that already a manufacturing process has been done with the raw materials like casting, rolling, blanking, forging. We have so many things, welding. And what is the purpose of treating again with the temperature is the question we get, right? So we will explore what is heat treatment in the next slide. So the definition goes very simple, that it is defined as the controlled heating and cooling of metals for the primary purpose of altering their properties. So as we said in food item, whenever we have a uncooked food, it will have different property, and whenever you have a cooked food, you have different property. In the same way, the materials or the metals are being heat treated. We are applying a temperature. For example, we start with 0 degree and we raise the temperature slowly on the x-axis in the graph to a particular temperature, and we hold for a certain period of time. We call it a soaking time, and again we start cooling the same, right? This takes some time, which is represented in the x-axis, right? So this is how heat treatment is done with the controlled heating and cooling of metals. So there is always a temperature control beyond which we cannot heat any material so that it becomes or it changes its phase. So in this context, we have the purpose of heat treatment is to relieve internal stresses. Like whenever we have a hammer blow in a press machine, press tools, the internal stresses are formed, and to improve machinability. So any material that is manufacturing with the basic manufacturing process has machinability issue due to manufacturing process. So in this context, whenever we heat treat any material, it will improve the machinability. To refine grain size. So whenever we have a material of certain grain size, after heat treatment, all the grains are refined to a particular size. So to soften the metal and to improve mechanical properties, to increase resistance to wear, heat, and corrosion, which are inevitable with all their environments, and to change the chemical composition. So I hope you understood what is the purpose of heat treatment now and why we are going for heat treatment. So let us explore certain heat treatment process in the forthcoming lecture. Thank you.